The markets go bullish today. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and it's Wednesday, August 13th, 2014, and in honor of Shark Week, today's shark is the tiger shark. Yes, the tiger shark, which is the second largest of the three most dangerous sharks in the sea. It was named for the way it looks like a big cat. The adult tiger shark has stripes on its back. And the tiger shark and the big cat's attitudes are very much alike as a swift and powerful killer. Interesting. Anyway, take a look here at the markets as a whole. You'll see that the markets go bullish. The Nasdaq leading the charge to the upside, up more than 1%. Banks confirming today's movement. VIX also confirming it, down quite a bit. VIX down, which is the fear indicator, down almost 9%. Gold and silver split for the day, but silver taking a little bit of a dive, down 0.7%. But I'm going to call silver a buy right now. You'll see that here in a bit. And I'm going over here, taking a look at the S&P 500. Well, before we get into a bunch of stocks, we want to go to the website. Once you go here, we have upcoming events. This is more advanced. This is the gaps and trend reversals. It's a 27-minute class, just say it's 30 minutes, but go there, get signed up. There's no fee for this education. Here's the S&P 500. Oh, by the way, I sent out an email to everybody, so check your email box at the close of today's marketing bell, and you should have that. S&P 500 daily chart, big drop, 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 a bear pullback to an area of resistance, and we did find resistance at the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Significant area to find resistance, especially with the following 20-day moving average also coinciding in that exact area. Be looking for this area to be a hard area to punch through. I think there's a better chance of it dropping, especially with the MACD down here coming up to the zero line. This would be a great area to see it drop. However, we do have a higher mark on the histogram showing that the momentum to the upside has picked up pace. Look here at a weekly chart. We're down here on a support level, trying to bounce off this area of support. I could definitely see the next few weeks going bullish here, so something we're keeping an eye on. On the Dow, this is the Dow, big drop, big pop, just getting past the 38.2% Fibonacci area, but we're finding resistance at the 100-day moving average. Again, just a bear pullback. Same thing on the MACD. Look for a drop to commence. Nasdaq, though, now is above all major moving averages and closed at the day's high. So the Nasdaq actually punched through the zero line on the MACD. This is very, very powerful. And if you were to draw a trend line here, we actually broke that, which is not drawn there, but just trust me on it. It's a little ghost line coming across here. It broke it. So right now, if the market is going to follow tech stocks, the market should keep going higher, even through the resistance that I just pointed out to you. But interesting to see how strong NASDAQ is. If you go here to the weekly chart, a lot of upside opportunity here for the NASDAQ. Russell, small caps, caught up in the middle of all these moving averages. Look at all these moving averages all coiled together right here. We're just hung up in them. And bear pullback here in the markets. Take a quick look here at the banks. This is a gorgeous bear pullback in the banks, stopping at 38.2 Fibonacci. Be looking to short financials. Let's see if that actually happens. We have the following 20-day moving average also coming in to hurt things. So taking a look here at the weekly chart, it looks like it's wanting to bounce though on the weekly chart. Here's gold weekly. Makes a lot more sense than the daily. That's what we're looking at. Big symmetrical triangle, coiling moving averages. Look for a sizable pop or drop here. This thing is coiling tightly. Big moves expecting in gold and also silver. Silver is a buy. We had a triangle breakout, pulling back. We pulled back to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement and a support line at the same area. So right now I am calling silver a significant buy. You're hearing it right here, Grok Trade. And A couple things here. Apple, which I'm holding, I was looking to unload this at resistance. However, we closed a bunch above that resistance line. Apple is on fire right now and above the MACD 0 line. So I am holding Apple through this. Amazon, big pop into some moving averages, giving us here a shooting star reversal pattern. Big gap here. Remember, we're doing a class here on gaps. You want to know what this gap means. Another big gap. How do you look at it? How do you define it? What do you do with these gaps? We're teaching that. And Facebook on this support area, looking to rally. I'm holding Facebook right now. Google. Nice pop on Google. I was a little nervous about Google, but it's starting to make a nice little run here. Microsoft popped up through resistance. Netflix here building a high base. I'm calling a buy on Netflix if it starts to move higher. Twitter here. It started to rally, but not doing too great at this very moment. So, because of Shark Week on Discovery Channel and us talking about the different sharks, we did the Mako shark because of the fingered teeth that it has, and then yesterday we did the hammerhead, today the tiger shark. And go here, take the gaps class. We're going to do one tomorrow night, Thursday. We'll do one Friday and Saturday. Come join us. Share us with a friend. Thank you so much for the likes and the sharing.